What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be tearing down the new engine I got for the Accord. It's a H22A4. Pretty stoked about it. Let's get to it. Something kind of crazy is this right here. This is the internal balance shafts. There's one on each side. I thought that was just kind of cool. Check this out. We got that top piece, the girdle or whatever, torn off, and I was checking these like, oh, that ain't too bad, not too bad, pretty good. Got to number 4. Looking at everything, right there's what's left, number 4 here. Pretty good. So looking at everything, those first 3 pistons weren't too bad, but this last one, man, it was, let me show you this bearing right quick. Look at that. Besides a little dirt on it, but had some pretty good wear on that one. You know, this one definitely had some wear too. But this rod bearing's just cooked. Yeah, I did pretty good number on that one. There's bits and pieces in the bottom end of this, but I'm gonna send it out to the machine shop, get everything fixed up, and we'll be building hopefully 600 horse one. These other bearings, I mean, they got wear and tear too, but they're nowhere near as bad as that last one there. That was something else. The skirts and stuff is what it is, which is a good thing because this has FRM sleeves, which is why I can't just put my forged internals just straight into this block. I'm gonna send it out, get it re-sleeved, some probably some wet sleeves in here or something, and hopefully make some good power on it. It'll be pretty sweet. Anyways, other than all this I got going on, thank you guys for liking, subscribing. But I did notice there's a lot of you, this many, that are not subscribed. I'm just saying, it's free. Liking the content, keep coming back, subscribe.